Hey guys, this is Ankit and I welcome all of you on our channel QWSCAP. In this video, I am going to discuss about Intellect hiring process. So Intellect has started their on-campus drive for 2025 batch. So in this video, we are going to discuss about hiring process, what is the exam pattern and what are the interview questions they have asked in their previous drives. Okay, so see this video till the end, don't miss anything, don't skip anything. Okay, you can watch this video in 1.25x speed to save your time. Okay, let's start the video with job role and salary. So job role, they will be providing you associate consultant, that is a technical role only, and they will be giving you salary is 5 lpa, that is very decent salary for the freshers in the IT field. Okay, now let's talk about eligibility criteria. So you should be pursuing your BTech in CSE branch, and 10th 12th you should have minimum 80 percentage, and CGPA you should have minimum 8.2 CGPA with no history of arrears and no academic gap. And location will be Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad or Pune. So these four location Intellect having their office. Okay, mostly if you are from South India, you will get the Chennai. Okay, so one thing is eligibility criteria can be changed year by year, so don't stick on this eligibility criteria. It can be changed and you can check with your placement in charge about your eligibility criteria of Intellect. Okay, let's move forward. So selection process, they will be having 5 rounds. First round will be the online assessment, second round will be the group discussion, third round will be the essay writing or SOP, statement of purpose. So this round will be the optional round. Okay, sometimes they will be conducting this round, sometimes they won't conduct. Okay, but these two round are mandatory, they will be conducting for sure. Fourth round will be technical, sorry, it is not assessment, it's interview, technical interview, and 5 page HR interview. Okay, and all are elimination round, so every round you have to shortlist, then only you will move forward with next round. Okay, so I will tell you the in the detail of all round, how you have to prepare, how what are the questions they have asked. Okay, let's move forward with round 1 online assessment. So that online assessment will be conducted on hacker rank. Okay, it calls as a hacker rank level 1 test also, and in that 3 sections will be there: MCQs, coding and SQL. And MCQs, they will be asking some technical MCQs on OOPS, DBMS, time complexity, or OS, operating systems, and then nearly 10 questions they will be giving you in that. And coding part, they will be asking you based on the array, string or mathematical programs. Okay, and you can write the code in either C, C++, Java or Python, and 2 coding questions they will be giving you. Coming to SQL, they will be giving you an SQL problem statement. You have to write the SQL query for that, and mostly it will be depend on the joins only, so make sure you practice well about joins. And for coding, you should practice about arrays and strings programs much more. And SQL queries, they will be giving 1 question. Okay, so this is the online assessment they will be conducting round 1. After, if you qualify round 1, then you will be moved forward with our round 2 group discussion. Okay, so these are the some of the important group discussion topics which is are recently currently it's going on in every company. So how you have to prepare for your group discussion, I have made one video on tips to crack GD round on the Hexaware. So same tips you can follow for your Intellect GD round also. So I have given this video link in the description box. Just see this video, how you have to behave, how you have to speak in your GD round, so that you will get idea how you have to prepare and how you have to speak in your GD round. So must you have to watch this video for your group discussion for Intellect. Okay, so round 4 is technical interview. As I said that round 3 will be the statement of purpose or round essay writing. So round 3 is optional round, sometimes they will conduct, sometimes they won't conduct. So round 3, in that you just have to write like what is the purpose to join this company, and you have to tell about yourself and why you want to join that company. So that small essay you have to write for that. That's only round 3. So sometimes they will be conducting, sometimes they won't conduct. So let's move forward with the round 4 technical interview. So in technical interview, they will be most focusing on the Java, OOPS, DSA and SQL. These 4 technical stuff only mostly they will be focusing on. So I have bring all the questions which is can be asked in Intellect interview questions. Okay, so these are the 4 topics I have mainly focused on these topics. Also you have to prepare which is you mention in your resume, what are the skills you mention. Suppose you mention the machine learning. Okay, so you have to focus on machine learning as well. But my suggestion is, if you don't know the skills, if you are not confident on that skills, try to avoid and try to remove those skills in your resume. Don't put unnecessary if you don't know, because if they ask something question on that skills and if you're not able to tell, then you can stuck in your interview. So don't try to add some other skills which you don't know. Just add those skills which you are confident enough. Don't try to put so much skills. Put limited skills, but you should be have confident on those skills. Okay, now coming to first question they will be asking about your introduction. So for introduction I have given one best template in the description box. Just check out that link and make your template also according to that, because self introduction itself, interviewer will get to know about your communication skills, your mindset, your confidence. So self introduction you should be giving very fluently and you should be very confident while giving. So make sure you should follow the template throughout your interviews. Okay, second is projects. So projects is very important. They will be asking about your projects so much questions. So I have mentioned some of the questions which they can ask for your projects. Just go through these questions and relate with your projects and try to answer according to your projects. Okay, now let's move forward with third topic is programs. So sometimes they will be asking you some of the AG program to write on the pen and paper. So you have to write those programs like swapping the two numbers, Armstrong program, okay, palindrome program. So these are the some of the AGS program, and this is the program they ask in the Intellect previous drive. So they have asked like if we give input like 103, then output should be 103 should come. So this is the string based program they have asked. Okay, so you can go through this all programs and try to practice as much as possible these programs. Okay, now let's move forward with fourth topic is object oriented programming. So OOPS is very important. Okay, definitely they are going to ask about OOPS concept. Just go through these questions and prepare well. Also you should know the implementation of all the pillars. Okay, so don't forget that you should prepare for implementation also of the all pillars like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance. In polymorphism you should know the method overloading, method overriding also. Okay, so these are the implementation you should know. They can ask the implementation as well. Now let's move forward with fifth topic is database. So database also they will be most focusing on SQL. So in SQL you should know the joins is very important. They will be asking you SQL queries based on the joins only. I have given some of the theoretical question as well as some of the SQL queries related questions. Just go through these questions and prepare well for your database. Okay, now let's move forward with DSA. DSA is super important topic. Okay, must they will be asking about DSA. I have mentioned here theoretical as well as coding questions what they can ask to you. So these are the theoretical questions I have given in the first slide. I have given one more slide for the theoretical questions. So this is the second slide for the theoretical question. Theoretical questions also they will be asking from the DSA. You should know, and also you should know the time complexity. Okay, so just prepare about time complexity as well. It's also very important for your interview. Coming to coding part, what you have to prepare for DSA, you should know the implementation of all the data structures like linked list. In the linked list also we have two linked lists like doubly linked list and circular linked list. You should know both linked list implementation and stack implementation. You should know via the array or linked list. So we can implement the stack via the array or via the linked list. So you should know the both approach, and queue and tree implementation also you should know, because implementation directly they can ask to you to write on the paper or in online compiler. So make sure you are before going to interview you are preparing for your implementation of all the data structures. And they will be asking searching and sorting algorithm also. So in searching, linear and binary search are very important, and you should know the time complexity for those, and you have to explain the time complexity how it is coming. Okay, so and next sorting algorithm. So 6 sorting algorithms are very important for the all the interviews like bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, insertion sort, quick sort, heap sort. So these 6 sorting algorithms you should know the implementation with that time complexity. Okay, so don't forget to write the code for this, practice the code for these questions, these coding questions which I have told in this slide. Okay, these are very most important for your intellect interview questions. Okay, so now let's move forward with, so many people they are asking about Java is very important for intellect interview questions. Okay, so I have mentioned here Java questions as well. Just go through these Java questions. Here I have mentioned so many Java questions because Java is most they are asking. Okay, and that company also worked on the Java only, so that's why they are asking most of the questions on the Java. If your first preferable language is Java, just go through these 3 slides on the Java. Okay, but some of the people are following the C or C++ also. So for those people, you can prepare this slides if you are preferable language is C or C++. Okay, so this is the first slide and this is the second slide for the C++. If your preferable language is Java, just go through Java questions alone, don't go for C++. If you are C++ following, then go through C++ questions. Okay, now let's move forward with, so these are the questions they have asked in the actual intellect drives, but these questions are not enough. That's why I bring so many questions in the previous slides, so that you can prepare accordingly. Okay, so these questions also you can prepare for your intellect interview questions. Okay, so now let's move forward with HR interview. So round 5 will be the HR interview. So I have mentioned here 19 questions, so prepare these 19 questions. These 19 questions more than enough to prepare for your HR questions. So HR questions, just they want to know your personal life, about your mindset, about your confidence. So give your answers with confidence and don't be nervous in your HR interview. Okay, so that's what they will be seeing in your HR interview. Just go through these questions in the find the answers in the Google and try to modify according to your personal life. Okay, so that's how you can prepare for your HR interview. So that's what from my side from the intellect hiring process. If you follow this video properly, then you are able to crack the intellect hiring on campus drive. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and comment your doubts or query in the comment box, and please share with your friends if they have intellect hiring drive. Okay, thank you so much once again. Bye bye.